Piccolo, everyone's favorite Namekian. I've drawn him a couple of times, orange Piccolo and stuff, but I've never drawn him with just the normal, like, big winged armor. I don't think I have anyway. So let's draw it today. I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So he's kind of on this side because he's got this big armor going this way. So it's 3/4 pose. So we will start with his frown. So like a check mark, right? That goes back. Like there. And of course, he's no eyebrows. So this just goes this way. And then goes up here. And then we have his eye, so we have square Dragon Ball eyes, line in there, there, and then this goes back this way. And then his black iris just coming down underneath here. And you can color this all black, like so. So this frown maybe goes in there a bit more. On the other side, because we're in 3/4 pose, this one's kind of smaller and it's not like right beside that one, it's a bit up. See the way it starts in here? So then it ticks up. Like more vertical up and then goes down there. It's because his head is tilted. And then this brow comes out and in. And you could have some of those like frowning lines just there as well. So this eye is smaller again. So we get like the small line there. Long line there. Join them together. And then his iris just black, looking up. So we got like a couple of wrinkles on his nose, you know, this kind of wrinkly lines, and then his nose comes down, curves out, and then comes in, and then comes back this way. And then they draw in the underneath part. Like so. And then here. And then we curve this around on the other side as well. Just the cheek lines. Right, so his mouth, it's a real sort of flat and downturned, serious mouth, right? Just a small line there. And then it goes down that way. And it kind of flicks up a bit on the other side. And then he's a bit of a cheek line here. And then his chin, just in here. A bit of a shadow underneath his bottom lip as well there. Okay, so because we're in 3/4 pose, we get a jaw and then a cheek. So on this side, curves out and then back in towards the corner of his eye up here. And then the jaw goes that way. And then change your direction and go up towards his ear. And then his earlobes here, and it's the big pointy Piccolo ears. So it just goes, and then it goes back down. And then we have some lines inside, so a long line on top. And then we'll bring it back into here. A few extra up the top here. And the other one's behind his like turban style headband thing. So I'm going to go up here for the side of his head, and then we're going to curve this across. So we'll go roughly just this way. And then it has all like bumps and folds as we go up. So just these little bumpy lines. And each of those will be a fold that comes across his head. And then he has that purple bit. So we'll just bring it across. So the purple bit is relatively round, and it's in here. So it just goes around the top. Around here. So all these kind of pieces of fabric sort of crisscross around this purple section. Right, so say like you can do as much of this as you want, like so it goes across from each. You don't have to do major. So just making it look like fabric. Then we can see a little bit of his other pointy ear just sticking out here. Another little bump on his ear, I think, there. Okay, so we can see the back of his neck. And then the front of his neck. And then there's some neck muscles in there. And then he has like a puffed up sort of area around of fabric just around his neck, right? So it just bumps around like this. So it'll go the whole way around like that. Okay. Right, so then he's got these big wings that's come out from his shoulders, right? So, and they have fabric on them as well, right? So you'll have a little bump, and then there's like a flat bit, and then a bump. And then we get another sort of flat part. And then this has another little bump. And then this goes right off to the edge. It might right to the edge, might go off actually the page, and then it would come back in there. And it has like an inside part that comes across his arm there. So if you have more room there, you could just bring that to a point if you wanted. And there's all these like fabric lines just folding around his chest. The other one is shorter because his body's turned away. So we'll go here. Curve it down that way. Sorry, now you can hear kids screaming outside. My kids are outside playing. And then this comes down around his chest. Okay, stay going. So we'll go down this way. On there. And this just sort of folds around his chest. Right, so we can see a little bit of fabric coming out here, so it like bumps down. Just down his arm. And then down here too. Then we can see his bicep, his tricep, and he has those pink sections that he has on his arms. With just these cross lines there. And we can see some of the purple clothing underneath. That's green skin in there. And then some purple here. And then more white fabric. Just curving around here. Smaller than the other side because it's turned away from us. And then his arm and forearm is there. And then it has that pink sort of pads that are on his skin. Get some like curved lines on his muscles there. Boop. And that's it, Piccolo with his shoulder armor. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.